Hey, hey, everyone, you know who it is. It's the one and only. I'm going to be trying a new vegetable by Bird's Eye. It's flavorful barbecue sweet corn. It's new. Seen this, and I said, wow, Bird's Eye's got a new vegetable out. Just give it a try. It's on my plate over here. I'll let you all know how it tastes. Got the barbecue taste in it. I like it. It's good, my friends. It's good. It's really good. I encourage any of you out there that love your vegetables, go out and get this Bird's Eye flavorful barbecue sweet corn. It's new on the market. Go out there and get it for me and give it a try. You will like it. I tell you, you will like it. Well, everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And share this video with your family and friends. Let them check it out. Hopefully, they'll go out there and get this new barbecue sweet corn from Bird's Eye. Again, y'all take it easy. And thanks for watching, everyone.